Let's see whether this is a trend change or a pullback based on Friday's price action. What we can expect in Monday's trading session. Let's see all those in details. Let's mark the important levels. My voice may not be good. I'm having a throat infection. Okay. I'm going to unhide these drawings, previous sessions drawings. In previous session, we planned if Nifty is going to break above this level in pullback, we should buy towards this level or towards a closing price. We should buy. But what happened is it broke this level. If this level breaks, you can aim for this as a first target and this as a second target. You just remember this. That is the plan. What happened is it broke this level. Anyone who took the entry should exit after closing above this level. This is a one failed trade, and second trade is around this point after closing below this candle. And here also it failed, closing above this level. This is also another failed trade, break-even trade, and you can take trade here also in this at this point. If you entered around this point, you will be in a decent profit. And the third setup is here after rejecting this point. This is the first target and this is the second target. This trade worked out after two failed attempts. This trade failed as soon as took the entry, and this trade is also failed. It is a break-even trade. It is going to be a break-even trade. This is going to be a losing trade, and this is a profitable trade as per our target levels. It touched our target level and consolidated and bounced back. This is our yesterday's plan, and let's mark the important levels. I'm going to mark this as an important level, this as another important level. I'm going to remove these levels. We mark them again. This is an important level in a Monday's trading session, and this is also going to be an important level. If it opens inside this range below this level, it is going to act as an important level. And one more important level is this one. Okay, these are the levels. If Nifty opens inside this range, this is going to be an important level, and this is going to be an important level. Okay, we have marked these important levels. Let's see, and I am keeping all these levels as it is. All my previous levels on the downside. If you are following me regularly, you should have all these levels. If you have marked these levels on your chart, and these are all the important levels, and I am going to track these levels in a next coming up trading sessions, and we'll see whether this is a trend reversal or pullback, and what we can expect in coming trading sessions when we see higher time frame analysis and other chart patterns. Okay, let's create our plan. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. If Nifty opens inside this range and breaks this level or this level, if it breaks this level, we should aim this as a first target from 25,800 to 25,860 or 870 level, which is going to be 60 to 70 points for this first target. And for this second target, it is going to be around 100 points. Can easily capture 70 to 80 points in this trade if it breaks on the higher side. And you should exit around this point for this trade setup. And if it breaks on the downside, if it breaks after flat opening, if it breaks on the downside, see how it is going to work out, whether it is going to break this level, or after breaking this level, if it closes above this level, you should exit, whether you are in a profit or loss. And if after breaking, if it continues, you can aim this as a first target from 740 or 750 level to 640 level, which is going to be 100 points, 90 to 100 points. You can easily capture 70 to 80 points in this trade. This is only one and final target, and if the market momentum is fast, you can aim somewhere around 24,600, 25,600 level. This level also you can aim, and this is a round number, so there may be a bounce from this level. If you are happy with this move, you can exit and book your profit around this point. And if it opens a gap down below this level or below this level, you can enter the trade in the breakout. If it opens below this level, wait for a pullback towards this range or towards the closing price. In the reversal, take the trade, and this is going to be your first target in the reversal. And you can aim this as a second target if this level is going to break decisively. And after breaking this level, if it closes above this level, once again book your profit or book your loss and exit the trade. It should sustain below this level, and after closing above this level, once again if it rejects, you can take the trade once again after closing below the level. That is one more setup. If it opens a gap up above this level, wait for a pullback towards the closing price or towards this level and take the trade in the reversal. This is going to be our first target, and this is going to be our second target. And in the reversal, you can aim this level as your first target. You can aim easily 80 to 100 points from your entry point in this trade also, because you can expect this momentum. If you are happy, you can book your profit around this point. If you want more profit, you can wait for this level. These are my setups for Monday's trading session, and what is the trend, and let's see what is happening, whether the trend changed or pullback. Let's go to higher time frame, daily time frame. Okay, this is a bullish move that we have seen previously, and what is happening is it closed below this level. There is a rejection candle, there is a gap up and closed below this level. It is a exhaustion move. The buyers are exhausted, and it is going to pull back or consolidate. If we use fib tool, let's use fib tool. This entire move from this point to this point, 0.5 level is around this point for this entire move. If this move is going to continue, you can expect a pullback towards this level, and the trend is changed clearly. After previous sessions closing, the trend is changed, and we'll see higher time frame analysis as well in weekly time frame. I have explained this in weekly time frame also, what is happening. This is a clear sign of reversal last week's candle, and next week if this low breaks and sustains this level, we can expect a 50% retracement easily. The trend is changed, and we can expect this is a pullback. If the 50% level is going to break, I'm going to consider this as completely reversal. Until then, it is a pullback in this bullish trend, and whether it is going to pull back towards 0.5 level or 0.3 level, we don't know. 0.38 or 0.5 level. 0.5 level is an important support level. This is a breakout point. We can expect a move towards that level. That's what my expectation is, and watch out this weekly low. If this weekly low breaks, we can see big momentum, and we can see a big candle, big red candle, and if it breaks this 0.5 level, if this 0.5 level breaks, we can see another low of down move. This is my plan for Monday's trading session. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next video.